Hi, my name is Adam Turk. I'm a lifelong New Yorker. I was born in Brooklyn. I took a little bit of a detour to grow up on Long Island, where I lost my Brooklyn accent. I'm a partner in the law firm of Fentin Goldman Turk Davidoff. We have offices in New York City and Westchester. We are a transactional real estate firm. We represent buyers, sellers, and lenders on various types of real estate transactions. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small, and nothing is too complicated. If it can be closed, we can close it. Our firm is in a unique position representing not only the buyers and sellers, but the lenders as well. We have a full view of the marketplace from all perspectives. We've closed transactions in many of the buildings in New York City. We represent all types of clients, including buyers and sellers of condos, co-ops, townhomes, single-family homes, and the like. We represent foreign buyers and sellers, buyers of new construction units, new construction homes, as well as commercial properties. We are industry leaders in the completing of Purchase CEMAs. Hiring a transactional real estate attorney is unlike hiring other types of attorneys. When you think of hiring an attorney, you think, okay, I have a problem, I'm about to get in a fight with someone, and I need someone to fight them on my behalf. I'm gonna win, and the other side is gonna lose. Transactional real estate isn't like that. It's one of the few types of law where both sides actually get to win. You want to buy or sell, the other side wants to buy or sell. And it's my job as your attorney to protect your interest, but to make sure that the deal gets done on the same terms that were agreed upon. Everybody gets to win. It's important for a transactional real estate attorney to have a non-combative mindset. The goal is to get to the closing table. This is a nuance that some attorneys, especially those who don't only practice transactional real estate exclusively, simply do not have. When you hire me in my firm, you get me. I have what I think is the best staff in the business. Their job, however, is to support me, not to do my job for me. I will be your point of contact throughout the transaction. I will be going over the due diligence with you. I will be at the closing table with you, walking you through all the documents. From the moment I was involved in my first big real estate deal, I absolutely fell in love with real estate in New York. I am what most people refer to as a real estate nerd. I just happen to be a lawyer. I enjoy pouring through financials and offering plans, and especially reading board minutes. After our transaction is closed, I'm happy to have a drink with you, and I could tell you some incredible stories. Hopefully none of them happened in your transaction, but you never know. In terms of fees, for purchase and sale transactions, we charge a flat fee. That fee is given to you before the process even starts. There's no surprise at the closing table. We don't charge for emails. We don't charge for phone calls. The process of buying New York real estate is not common sense. You are going to have many questions, and you're going to be asked to write some very large checks. I'm going to have all of the answers for you. Now, you might not always like the answer that I give you, but I'll always be honest with you, and I'll always be forthright and forthcoming. And I never want my clients to feel as if they can't call me or email me because I'm going to charge them extra for it. Not going to happen. I do know that I haven't seen it all. You learn something new on every transaction, but I also know that I am prepared to handle anything that comes in front of me. I'm very lucky that I've had clients, throughout my career start to buy from their first apartment to their upgraded apartment to their first apartment with their spouse to when they have to move to when their hallway nursery isn't good enough, they need a bigger apartment, to their forever apartment or their forever home out in the suburbs. When I take on a client, I always put myself in their shoes. I always think to myself, okay, what information would I want to know? Has everything been explained that I would want it to be explained? How can I make the process as easy and as stress-free as possible? It would be an absolute pleasure to represent you. Please feel free to contact me at my email address at aturk@fentingoldman.com or my phone number at 212-265-4900. Hope to hear from you soon, and I hope we get to work together.